Jaja girl. Jaja girl. Jaja girl. Okay. If I was ever under the impression that all this was about me and for me, I was awfully confused. Jaja's been at it again. She has gone wild. Let me see. She got a red bird. I hope I got to her before she fatally wounded it. Let me see if it's still sitting. It's still just there behind the kale. Everything seems to be This is her little corner. The snake was over here. See, there's the red bird. It looks like a red bird and a female. Okay, poor thing. This is as close as I'm gonna get. Poor little thing. And there she is. You want to get back out, don't you? No, we're not gonna do that, Jaja. We're not gonna do that, you little predator. Poor little bird. How bad are you hurt? You can't be there all day. It's gonna get hot. It looks tired. It looks like it's going to sleep. It does not feel good. I'm gonna leave it alone.